shorts.
I was going to say, go ahead, somebody be brave.
All right, ready?
When lifting weights or performing body exercises, or in this case, lifting body exercises, the concentric phase occurs when working against gravity while the eccentric phase works with gravity. Concentric meaning the muscles involved are shortening, and eccentric meaning the muscles involved lengthen. To help understand this concept, imagine a concentric contraction as the gas pedal and an eccentric contraction as the brakes. We first observe the subject holding his classmate in an isometric contraction. This means that every muscle involved is contracting to maintain position. No flexion or extension has occurred while the classmate is suspended in the air. First occurs the eccentric phase of the squat, where the body lowers itself into a squatting position. Remember, get parallel or don't even bother. Anyways, knee flexion is occurring thanks to the prime movers of the bicep femoris, semimembranosus, semitendinosus, gastrocnemius, plantaris, popliteus, sartorius. These muscles are working with gravity to slowly control the weight down into the squat. Perhaps the ankle group can explain the outward rotation happening below the knees, and the hip group can explain the lateral rotation of the knees. Next, the concentric phase of the squat. The body is rising back to the original stance before the eccentric phase. Knee extension is occurring as the body works against gravity to lift itself back up. The prime movers of this phase are the rectus femoris, vastus laterale, vastus intermedius, and tensor fasciae latae. One thing to keep note of here is that essentially all of the muscles are contracting throughout the phase of the squat. They just shorten through the concentric phase and lengthen through the eccentric phase.